In this video, we take your Amazon business to the next level by making it a real business with my Perpetual Sales Machine strategy. This is an external traffic flywheel that builds $1 million plus per month brands on Amazon. This is bigger than Amazon PPC alone. It's how we hit page one fast, it's how we survive suspensions, and it's how we create true passive growth and build a real brand. Now, who am I? I'm Dr. Travis Zigler, a recovering optometrist who, along with my wife, Dr. Jenna, built iLove to $500,000 per month and sold it in 2021 for a multi-million-dollar exit. I also built Profitable Pineapple Ads starting in 2018, and we've used the strategies that I'm showing you today to scale hundreds of clients with, again, our Perpetual Sales Machine strategy. Now, in 2024, my partner Deacon and I launched Freedom Brands, where we use this same strategy to buy and build companies. And our goal is to get to $10 million in EBITDA and sell for a $100 million exit in the next 10 years. Profits from all of this fund our I Believe Foundation, where we're on a mission to eradicate the 1 billion people that are blind due to lack of glasses. If you want to apply to work with us and have us build a perpetual sales machine with your business, head to profitablepineapple.com. All right, enough about me. Let's dive in. Now, Amazon PPC gets you started, but external traffic creates a perpetual flywheel to boost your rank, capture emails, build raving fans, build a real business, get repeat sales, lower your tacos long-term, and increase your profits overall. Amazon loves and rewards off-platform traffic coming from other sources. It's going to lead to a higher organic rank. They're going to give you a 10% bonus on that traffic, and you'll establish a moat around your listings that can survive anything, really. Now, we combine 3 powerhouse channels for a slew of external traffic that explodes growth. Now, here are the 5 ways that I drive it. All right, so the first thing we do is we drive Google Ads direct to your Amazon listing. We target high intent searchers on Google and send them straight to your product pages with an Amazon attribution link. This drives immediate sales and it earns a 10% referral bonus. This also spikes velocity and gives you an organic lift. What I like to do is start with small budgets around product-based keywords at around $5 per day, and then we scale the winners. It's direct, it's measurable, and it's easy to implement. Again, we use product-related keywords here. Number 2, we drive Google Ads to an AI-crafted blog post around the problem that your product solves, and then inside the blog post, they go over to Amazon. So we focus on the audience's core problems, for example, acid reflux or styes or dry eye. We then use AI to create a fast, valuable post that educates them and builds trust. Inside that post or that blog post or that sales page, whatever you want to call it, advertorial, we then link to Amazon with an attribution link to track it, but also to get the 10% bonus. This strategy alone has driven millions and millions of customers to our blogs for pennies. We use problem-related keywords here. Now, the third way we drive traffic is when they're sitting on our blog posts, we like to get their emails. We provide a lead magnet on these blogs around the problem that your product solves. We then nurture subscribers, we drip value, and then we send these people on our list to Amazon and then back to more blogs for more sales. Again, we serve, we don't spam. Serving builds your list, it builds your rapport, and it builds your off Amazon authority, which will make them say yes easier. The fourth thing we do is we create a TikTok traffic tsunami. We hire anywhere from 10 to 15 UGC creators per month to make us videos on TikTok. We then drive those videos to an Amazon attribution link to go directly to your product. So we're talking about real demos, stories, tips, testimonials, and then they'll post it on their TikTok, but also on yours. And again, we run ads, TikTok ads that run directly to Amazon with attribution. This will give you cheap views, the potential to have a video go viral. It gives you a massive reach and it floods fresh traffic that boosts your rank overnight. What we also see is on top of the direct link over from TikTok to Amazon, we also see a boost in our brand name if you have a real brand and you're not selling a piece of plastic from China. But if you have a real brand, we see an increase in our brand searches on Amazon as well. When you combine creator authenticity with targeted ads, you're going to create a massive amount of traffic. And then finally, the fifth thing that we do is we utilize TikTok Shop to create a direct sales on the platform of TikTok. This also generates an overflow of traffic to your Amazon listings, as not all users are ready to shop on TikTok yet. So capitalize on the current low CPMs, which is how much it costs per 1,000 impressions on TikTok. You need to capitalize on this because ad costs and CPMs are incredibly low on TikTok. I haven't seen CPMs this low and cost per clicks this low since like 10 years ago on Amazon and Facebook. But I want you to be sure to focus on consistently creating and rotating new creative videos to maintain momentum. That is where most people get it wrong on TikTok, is they expect one video to just magically give you a ton of sales. And it's the consistency of making 10 to 15, if not 60 videos a month. What we focus on with our clients is 10 to 15 videos. When you layer these 5 things, you're sending a plethora of external traffic to Amazon. This creates unstoppable momentum. You're going to increase your organic rank. You're going to get more sales. You're going to get more emails. You're going to get more repeat purchasers. You're going to get this self-sustaining perpetual sales machine, which is why I call it that. This is how real 8-figure brands are built beyond Amazon alone. All right, your action items for this video. Audit your external traffic. What are you running now? Identify quick wins, and then just start with one channel. The easiest one to start, Google Direct to your Amazon listing around product-based keywords, or Google Ads to a blog post or a landing page over to Amazon. Now, if this video overwhelmed you, then apply to work with us. Let us do it for you. We've been doing this for years for other brands. You can do that at profitablepineapple.com. This is just one day in my 7-day Amazon PPC Profit Booster, which is better than any paid course you can take on Amazon PPC. Now, we've only scratched the surface. To unlock even more profitability from your advertising, continue watching my 7-day Amazon PPC Profit Booster, or check out my full Amazon PPC Masterclass for free at profitablepineapple.com. Click the video on your screen or use the link in the description to access the complete training. If you want it again sent directly to your inbox, you can get it at profitablepineapple.com, or you can just click one of these videos over here. Now, what else should they do?
Subscribe and like this video.
Subscribe and like this video, and share it with someone that you think might benefit from it.